Meta leverages AI to boost engagement. Meta saw a 7% increase in ad impressions year over year in Q3, while growing revenue almost twice as much, by 19%. The report highlights how new AI modeling is enhancing ad targeting and user engagement. But cost increases are worrying shareholders. Meta's AI advancements have led to more precise ad targeting. By showing more relevant ads, they can boost conversion rates, making their ad platform more valuable. Plus, the adoption of OpenAI models like Llama has reduced cost, allowing Meta to scale efficiently in AI applications. Critics, though, saw two major problems. First, daily active users was below expectation, and second, Meta shared a significant acceleration in expenses. Financial strain from Reality Labs and a sizable capex forecast could limit their flexibility. Meta was the company that got fit over the last years, and their shareholders got rewarded handsomely. But with costs in future bets like Reality Labs accelerating, investors are afraid that the pendulum will swing back. Next, we'll talk about obesity in the US. GLP1s stops obesity, or does it? Obesity in America fell about 2 percentage points to roughly 40%, ending a 4-decade-long rise. That is good news. GLP-1 drugs that suppress hunger are revolutionizing weight loss and addressing mental health issues, but high costs remain a challenge. By reducing obesity and related health risk, GLP-1s could drastically improve the quality of life and lower healthcare costs, potentially easing strains on the US healthcare system. But the current $900 a month price tag is a barrier to wide adoption, with nearly half of all eligible users unable to afford it without insurance. Also, these drugs don't address underlying causes of obesity. Reducing obesity is literally vital. GLPs are a short-term band-aid, but to be living healthy, a person has to think holistically about mental health, eating, sleeping, and exercise. And lastly, we'll talk about point solutions. Compound startups, the end of point solutions. Rippling's valuation increase to 11 billion post ZIRP indicates investors' belief in the long-term advantages of a multi-product approach. Compound startups like Rippling are challenging point solutions by offering integrated products that streamline businesses' processes across HR, IT, and finance. The multi-product approach minimizes vendor and likely process complexity, and it gives customers better value with cross-functional capabilities across a single platform. However, building a compound startup requires significant upfront investment and complex parallel execution, which can strain resources. Additionally, customers may prefer best-in-breed solutions over broad bundles. Single product focus remains a more efficient path for early-stage startups that have limited resources. Maybe this is not an either-or question, but rather the natural evolution of a startup.